see the instructions are on here. I'm going to come back and give you further instructions, but for now, just look at these. Y'all are going to look through the sentences, and you're going to find appositives in there, okay? Not every sentence is going to have appositives. Okay, let's see, group 2, Jaquan and Betsy. Okay, y'all are going to just add an appositive into these sentences, into each of these sentences, okay, on an appositive of your own. And that's also going to be, wait, don't video this group. That's also going to be this group back here, okay? The directions are on there, you're just going to add a positive in. Okay, let's see, group 3 is going to be Sam, Noah, India, and Jackson. Y'all have copies of the Hunger Games on your desk. Okay, you're going to look through chapters 1 through 3. Find 4 sentences using appositives. Okay? Yes, 4. And guys, you can write on these sheets, okay? These are, I printed out these sheets so that you would have them. Okay? Matthew, Grace, and Nathan back here. Okay. Y'all are going to write your own story, just a paragraph, okay, about 5 sentences using 3 appositive phrases. Okay, so read the instructions on your sheet. In this group, y'all are going to do the same thing. Write your own story, use a paragraph, and 5-6 sentences using appositive phrases. This group of girls, y'all are going to create an advertisement for something in the classroom using appositives. So you're going to try and sell something. Sell us anything. It has to be something in the classroom. People have sold phones, pencils, a computer, whatever it is, use those appositives to make it just sound fabulous. Okay? Okay. So, this group. Y'all go ahead and start working with your groups, okay? I'm going to come around, go over the instructions in a little bit more depth, one by one. But you have enough instruction on there to go ahead and get started. Okay, this group. Look, you have the instructions on here. Underline the appositive phrases in the sentences below. Circle the noun that the appositive identifies. Okay, not every sentence is going to have an appositive phrase in it. Okay, so let's look at number 1 together. I'll do the first one with you. Okay. My cat, Lucy, loves to sleep in the sun. Okay, so what's the noun there? The main noun. Yeah, cat, okay? So you're going to circle cat. Okay, and then what information renames the cat? Tells us more about the cat. Lucy, right, it tells us the name for the cat. So you're going to underline Lucy. And you see that one, Lucy is set off by 2 commas, which we said is one of the ways that you know it's an appositive. It's right next to the noun that it's identifying, cat. Okay, and you can also switch Lucy and my cat. For example, my cat Lucy loves to sleep in the sun. That sentence obviously makes sense. But if you switch them and say, Lucy, my cat, loves to sleep in the sun, that makes sense too, right? That's how you're going to know it's an appositive. So, like I said, not all of them are going to have an appositive phrase. Just because there's a comma, that does not mean that it's an appositive, okay? You're looking for 2 nouns placed side by side that are interchangeable. Okay, one noun within commas that can replace the other. It's renaming the other. Does that make sense? Okay, so y'all work together as a group. You all have a worksheet, but you have the same one. So I want you to work together to make sure that you're all on the same page. Okay, and I'll come back and make sure that you're getting it. Okay, this group. Y'all are going to read through these sentences and just add in your own appositive. Okay, so the first one, my dog, blank, always barks at the mailman. Okay, so I just want you to rename, give the dog a name. Okay, what did you say here? A bad-looking bulldog. Okay, that works. Because you could switch it and say, a bad-looking bulldog, my dog, always barks at the mailman. Okay, that works. What did you say for number 2? Okay. Yeah, okay, a name. That's good. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Do you have any questions? Okay, so like I told that group, y'all have the same worksheet. I want both of you to fill it out, but work together, okay? You can put the same answers. Because on Monday when you teach the class, you're going to be working from the same sheet. Does that make sense? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, this group. Have y'all decided what you're going to sell? Scarves. Scarves. You know, I love that. We're doing chevron. Okay, so do you understand how to use a positive in an advertisement? Okay. Kind of. Okay, well, what I'm thinking is that, you know, like a used car salesman, you know, that says, today and today only, we've got a great deal for you. A car for $500. I mean, that would be a really great deal. But, yeah, exactly. Maybe that was a bad example. If there's a $500 car, well, my car probably is worth $500. But, okay, so you're going to say things, you're going to use your positive phrases to tell us what's so great about scarves. Today, and today only, we're selling scarves, comma, the best scarves in the world, or the best in the world. You know, you're going to use your positive phrases to make us want to buy your product. Okay, so we persuade people. Yeah, and what I want you to do, oh, exactly, and that's why I put you in this group. So new people are so good at art. Okay, I want y'all to draw a picture. You can just have one picture, that would be fine. But then everyone needs to write down your sales pitch. Okay, because on Monday, no. You're working on selling the same product. Okay, so on Monday you're going to give the class your sales pitch, and we're going to pick out the positive phrases. Remember, appositive phrases do not have the is or the are inside of the commas, right? It'll just be comma, you know, chevron clinic scarves. Okay, comma. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, this group. Okay, so y'all are writing a story using the appositive. And the first thing that we need to find is a setting. Do you know what your setting is going to be? Okay. Okay, Matthew, you're going to be going to Mexico to visit family.
Just got the writing. One paragraph or one paragraph?
No, you can write the same paragraph. Okay, but the important thing here is that we want to use at least 3 appositive phrases. So what I've said so far today, is that you can do, like use one appositive phrase to help us identify the setting. Okay, use another to help us identify a character. Okay, and use another to help us identify, like maybe what they're eating or what they're doing. Okay, an action. So, I know you like to write, right? And so, y'all have at it, and I'll be back. Do you have any questions? You've got a setting, you've got a main character.
I'll have to write the paragraph.
Yes, you all need to write the paragraph. And make sure you put your names on your papers too. Y'all are group 4. Hey guys, now is a good time to remind everyone, make sure that you put your names on your papers. Go ahead and do that now. Okay? Okay, coming over to y'all. Yes, you all
Do we all have to write the same story?
you don't have to write the same story as each other, but it'll probably make it a little bit more pleasant for you if you don't write the same. Okay, because you're gonna. No, you all need to turn in your own individual sheets. Okay, but here. Okay, do y'all have a setting?
They're making a we're tribute.
Okay, so you're doing your own Hunger Games. That's great.
Because he said he wanted to be with Katniss.
Okay, I see. You have a little crush. Okay. No. Haha. Okay. Okay. Gabe Hodge, a tribute of District 12, was hunting in the woods. Perfect. So you've already got one appositive in that first sentence. That's great. Okay, so what I told that group is what I've recommended so far. Is that you use one appositive to identify a character, one to identify the setting, and one maybe to talk about an action or tell us about what's happening in the plot. Okay? But however you can fit them in there, y'all do it. It looks like you've got a good grasp on this. I will come back and check it out. I know. Okay, well y'all have fun. Okay, this group. Finding appositives in the Hunger Games. Okay, so have y'all found any?
I have two.
Okay, let's see. Okay.